Today, join me in making a healthier version of a holiday favorite. Here on the To Explore Wellness channel, our mission is to provide you with an array of nutritious recipes to support your health and weight loss journey, and these low sugar cookies perfectly fulfills that mission. Not only can you have fun decorating these cookies, but you can feel confident that you're making a healthier choice for your body that also tastes amazing. We are going to start out by whipping up some softened butter, stevia, and vanilla. Normally, traditional sugar cookies would of course call for, you guessed it, sugar, but we are on a health and weight loss journey, so replacing it with stevia creates a healthier zero-calorie replacement. Stevia powder is derived from the stevia plant and is actually known to have health benefits in addition to being a low-calorie alternative to sugar. And did you know it's actually 200 times sweeter than sugar? While I'm mixing up my butter that wasn't quite soft enough, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more healthier, delicious recipes geared towards weight loss. Once we have that blended well, we're going to set it aside and mix up the other ingredients. I use a mix of flour, vanilla, protein powder, along with some baking powder and salt. I suggest a whey casein blend for the protein powder as it bakes well. I've actually made these cookies both with cassava flour for a gluten-free alternative, as well as whole wheat flour. They both turned out amazing, but this time around I found the whole wheat flour ones were a bit trickier. And I truly wish I had remembered to use my vanilla salt for this recipe. I'll leave the details for it in the description because I know you're gonna wanna try it. Once we've finished mixing up all the dry ingredients, there's only a few wet ones to add, just an egg and some milk. I used flax milk, but you can use any one that you prefer. I like having flax milk on hand because it's packed with omega-3s and other healthy nutrients. But whatever milk you choose, it should be added 1 tablespoon at a time because the flour or protein powder you use, as well as the exact measurements, can determine whether you need 2 tablespoons or 3. Once the butter mixture is added back in, mix until the dough sticks together but isn't too sticky. You may find that you need to adjust either your liquid or your dry ingredients to get that perfect consistency. While we're getting that perfect consistency, I'd love if you could share your favorite holiday cookie in the comments. I'd love to try my hand at making a healthier version of it. Once you've got that dough ready, I actually recommend to put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes or so before rolling it out on some parchment paper or plastic wrap. You'll roll it out until it's about 1/4 inch thick. If you find your dough is slightly sticky, you can also add some protein powder underneath and on top of your dough to keep it from sticking too much. After your dough is all rolled out, cut out your desired shapes like a game of Tetris, making all the shapes fit together on the dough. But of course there's going to be excess, so you can just lift that up and re-roll it until all of it is used. This recipe yielded about 20 cookies or so for me. Then they'll get baked in the oven for only about 7 to 9 minutes until golden. Make sure to read the caption to learn how I made the frosting without any refined sugar. You can also find some sugar-free sprinkles if you want to completely eliminate it, but I chose to use regular sprinkles. And now you'll have the healthiest sugar cookies you'll probably ever eat. I hope you enjoyed making this dish with me. Make sure to check the caption for the full recipe as well as calories and macronutrients. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe buttons to ensure you don't miss any easy, healthy, and delicious recipes. See you next time.